Several sounds when pronouncing some English letters. Letter R. Pronounced normal R at the start of a word, like read, ready, read, remember, road, repeat. Silent with light accent if a vowel came before it, especially if it comes at the end of the word, like return, modern, teacher, term. Vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Letter S. Normal S, like see, spell, sun, silk, say, speak, small, sit. Pronounced as Z in some words, like please, easy, use, disease, decrease housing. Pronounced as normal S in plural if word ends with P, T, K, like books, cups, students. Pronounced as Z in words without upper endings, like trees, fees, seas, boys, girls, glasses, fans, dreams, knees. Pronounced sh if it comes double before letter U, as assure, pressure, fisher, issue. Pronounced sh in both words. Sure, sugar. 3.